Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Mnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ke mntakaba, please subscribe mangaba kwenzi kanjalo, subscribe like video bese uyashare futhi. Please allow those ads to play. It is very important. So khumbula last siyenza video ngaboza amazama you guys laba abakuthiwa ke they are stuck there ngaphansi komhlaba bafethi baloku bethi silambile sicela ama ARVs sicela lokhu bengaphumi beze ngaphandle bezodinga impilo. Mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi why even there, but anyway there was a clarity nyana ukuthi bathela babafana abangu 11, is it 11 or 14 ebengisenza video ukuthi abaphume ebusuku mhlambe becabanga ukuthi ama boys awekho ebusuku then bebebanjiwe bakhulume ngokuthi bakhona bagadile laphana eminyango abangavumeli ukuthi abanye baphume, right? I think izikhona izikhulu zakhona ezilawulayo laphana. So wena umungu omncane Nkosi yami abantwana bakhala ngendlala. Guys, imagine bekuthiwe kukhona ingane yase Mozambique ena 14 years lapha ngaphansi ephumile kulaba abangu, was it 11 or 14 though? Those who imaged like nini bengiyenza le video yakhona right, I think they said 11 or 14. Correct me ka comment section. So kuthiwe kukhona ona 14 years. Imagine my son is 14 years bese kuthi umntana ami yey ngingayo ngena kulo yabukoti yadlala futhi ngeke ngingene, but hayibo umntana mona 14 esenza lo msebenzi lo wokuhlala le ngaphansi ingane zabantu zilambile zomile kuthiwa bayalawula phela bathathwa yibo labo angazo boss bakhona. Ushilo lwana wathi basithatha le ko deep sleuth ba khona le mmereko kai ari mmereko uma ufika lapha ungeniswa le ngaphansi umntakaba uyotshekeja wena nje wena uzohamba uthi hayi kuthiwe kunomsebenzi ndawo thizeni kanti uyisiwa lapha. Yo bafethu ucabanga nje wathi lo bhuti baphila ngeColgate baphila ngamahewu. Imagine umuntu adle iColgate for survival. Bafethu izinto ezikhulunywa lapha na mina ziyangimangaza. iColgate for survival. Uphuza amanzi uphuza amahewu anga10 bafethu like asizwile ukuthi kuthiwa ngathi bayashona abantu lephansi le bafethu. Kanti why bangaphumi Nkosi yami? Like for me, I'm like, I cannot have my 14-year-old ephila lengaphansi ngingaboshwa ngizama iplan lapha bafowethu ngoba ngeke 14 years this boy 14 years umntana msase high school una 14 bafowethu. Imagine this child 14 years and wenza lo msebenzi lo. This is not allowed, right? Like ngithema ngizwe ukuthi lengane ina 14. I was shocked bafethu. So ke angazi bekuthiwe ke abawu abaphumile 11 or 14 whatever baphume becabanga ukuthi mhlambe ebusuku bazokwazi ukukhukhuna ke mntakaba kanti lutho balindiwe and then sizokuthiya babanjiwe, right? And then kulesi story ngisibona ukukhuluma ukuthi more than 300 of them at Stilfontein. I think they have emerged and they are not well. Ngathi ngeke ube right mntakaba uhlalele ngaphansi ulambile. Khumbula kunalaba ipheshana balasenda lapha nabathi bacela ama ARVs. Uyalamba lapha number 1 and you are in medication mntakaba uphila ngemedication. You're supposed to eat, you're supposed ukuthi uphuza amanzi enough, you're supposed to kuningi bafethu mangabe uphila ngemedication. Imagine ulambe uphile ngeColgate namahewu and you are on ARVs ke mntakaba. This is so sad. So mina ngeke bafethu ngeke mina ngingaphuma ayingeke bafethu, like really. Illegal miners at Stilfontein have asked for more food, claiming that about 300 of them are unwell. Also, they did not come out. They are unwell and they are still under there. Because they are saying more than 300 illegal miners at Stilfontein not well. I thought they have come out. In fact, they said they asked for more food. Like if they are unwell, please release them. Kulabo ke abangama boys whoever they are abalindile ukuthi abanye baphume bavalela abanye baphume mntakaba. Please leave those people who are unwell to come out. What is this nonsense now? Yeka laba bagula baphume ufuna bafele lapho ngaphansi. Like honestly ukuboshwa is nothing bafethu impilo yakhe izuke ibalekile Nkosi yami kodwa like 300 of them unwell. So angeke sazi ukuthi sekushona abangaki lephansi. Lucky for those boys who came out bafethu and bekhulumile lo mfana. Remember the video that I posted uhambe yomamela, I did insert clip nyana umfana lana bethi re ashwa kitlala kakwa ne richabile uthi richabile le mntana bafethu. Ukhuluma nje ngokuthi babalekile lephela ngoba abavunyela ukuthi kune bosses zakhona ezithi hey awuphumila ungaphumula uyaboshwa mhlambe nje bayathi uthe bayashaywa nokushaya mntakabawo. This is something that I read from a previous story. So laba 300 they did not come out. They are actually saying 300 of them are unwell. How are they going to be well? Betting medication, betting ukudla, and anibavumela baphume lapho. Ay, ngeke bafethu, this is no. Illegal miners who are still refusing to resurface at the old Belfastfontein gold mine in Stilfontein in Northwest have sent out a note requesting more food. Le ndaba ukuthumela amanoti angiyithandi mina. Imbiko yani nje yonke le. Just come out, you know what I mean? Le mbiko la izukusebenza kuzoshona abantu kulokuza imbiko ukuthi sicela ukudla, sicela ama-ARVs. Come out, get food, and then get ARVs. Mhlambe boshwa kusuzothi mntaka, but at least you are alive. Isn't that better than ukuthi ushonele le phansi? This was revealed by the Northwest Deputy Provincial Commissioner General Patrick Asaneng while giving an update on the scenes at Stilfontein yesterday. Asaneng said they received a note from the illegal miners on Friday that there are approximately 500 illegal miners underground and 300 of them are unwell. So abang 200 nyana basase right. Laba bang 300 lutho ke mntaka, so they are so unwell. Okay, tell us how many have died. They are not going to say. People are dying down there, right? This is just something else. Ngibongela la igeng yabafana ephumile bafethu ngibonile lapha. General Asaneng said yesterday that 34 zamazamas resurfaced since yesterday. Oh, so kuna 34 as we speak. Because that was 11-14. Now there is 34 of them who have resurfaced since Izoloke, and that they are all illegal foreigners. 15 Lesotho nationals, 3 are Mozambicans and 2 are Zimbabweans. 14 Mozambicans resurfaced just after midnight on Monday. This brings the number of the illegal miners who resurfaced in the last 24 hours to 34 so far. 55 illegal miners have resurfaced. Okay, so far 55 illegal miners have resurfaced since last Monday. Mining authorities had indicated that a Margaret shaft is flooded. Again, it is worth mentioning that these illegal miners were all wet when they came out, proving that indeed there was a body of water down there. He said the total number of illegal miners who had resurfaced since the 18th of August is 1,259, and the majority are Mozambicans at 871. General Asaneng said the plan to resurface illegal miners is divided into 3 phases. The first phase, which has been completed, began last Tuesday and was completed on Wednesday. This phase included clearing all the boulders and concrete slabs that had been at the entrance of the shaft. This is important to avoid them falling into the shaft and endangering the illegal miners underneath. He added that the second phase was completed yesterday. This part brought together machinery and state-of-the-art equipment that included a camera to be lowered to access the state of the shaft. This assessment is to gather information on on the type of the methane gases down there and how harmful they are, and to confirm the number of illegal miners and their state. Once all this data has been analyzed, we will know when and how to begin with the third phase, said General, adding that the third and the final phase will be a delicate process that seeks to ensure that illegal miners are resurfaced safely and humanly. It's a lot kuningi bafethu makunjena nje this life. A 14-year-old ndawo angakhohlwa nje 14-year-old uyangitraumatize, like intanga zakhe zisesikoleni you ayibafethu no basuke bayaphoqa labantwana bafethu ukuthi baye lapha. He said that boy wathi batla batloritsiya ba re e gona le mmereko ena re fitla kwa ke yona ntwe zama thing ene re shwa ke tlala ona dijo ona what the Colgate di maheu kuri bona, like it's a lot go ngata man, and some of them are just young man. Babathatha nje labantwana bebagubhisa le lento zabe abazigubha ngale ayi bafethi no. It's such a pity for those who are young. Ngizonda ke amaboss wakhona ayangibhora ngempela, because why are you abusing abantwana into this nonsense, right? Now they are stuck there ingane zabantu, because imagine a 14-year-old. I'm so glad ukuthi uphumile ku 14-year-old, because you ayingeke bafethu. Asazi ke bacela ama-ARVs kuthiwa ke bacela ke ukudla bathi abantu they are unwell down there. Abaphume so that they can be well, they'll be treated. Usuzoboshwa ke mntawo kodwa at least uyaphila ke. Hayi ngeke bafethu kuningi. Angazi sho for la comment section. Like this video, subscribe, share, asibona njalo kwenye zolandela. Bye.